Hello technology lovers. Today, we're diving into a review of the best dishwashers of 2024. We've thoroughly tested these fantastic devices that make our lives easier. We'll explore which model stands out and why. Remember, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Now, let's get started on discovering the top dishwashers. Happy watching. Best overall dishwasher. Bosch SHEM 63W55N. Concerning the balance between features and price, Bosch's 300 series dishwasher stands out with one of the highest overall user ratings across several major retailer sites. It is priced just below average considering the array of features it provides. The dishwasher boasts a large capacity accommodating up to 16 place settings, a coveted third rack, and an adjustable middle rack for larger items. Additionally, it features flexible tines in the lower rack for versatile loading. The appliance offers 5 wash cycles including heavy, auto, normal, rinse and hold, and a quick 1-hour cycle. There are also 4 extra modes like delay start, half load, sanitize, and extra dry, with a noise level lower than the average at 44 decibels. This dishwasher is a top choice for its overall performance. Bosch extends its offerings with the 100, 500, and 800 series dishwashers at different price points, each maintaining consumer popularity and high ratings. Best quiet dishwasher. KitchenAid KDFE 204 KPS. If extended cycle times are a concern for you, especially if your kitchen is close to spaces like the bedroom, home office, or nursery, then noise level becomes a critical consideration. Standard dishwashers typically operate in the 50 to 60 decibel range, just below the noise level of regular indoor conversation. Many models incorporate advanced technology to reduce noise to a very quiet 40 to 50 decibels. However, the KitchenAid model takes it a step further with an almost whisper-quiet level at only 39 decibels. Apart from allowing you to take a nap while it runs, this high-end model offers additional features such as a third rack, a ProWash sensor that adjusts the cycle based on the dish's soil level, and an extended heat-dry option capable of evaporating even the most persistent drops on your plasticware. If a hush dishwasher operation is a top priority for your open-plan living, this KitchenAid model is a standout choice. Best dishwasher for smart features. LG LDT7808BD. This intelligent LG dishwasher comes equipped with Wi-Fi capability, enabling communication with other devices. This means you can initiate or lock the machine remotely using a mobile phone app or even through voice activation within your home. The inclusion of LED lights allows for visibility inside the dishwasher during the cycle, providing an almost babysitter-like power if your kids or pets are intrigued by the washing machine. While the smart capabilities may come with a slightly higher price tag, the LG model otherwise matches the Bosch model mentioned earlier in terms of a diverse range of wash cycles. It also features a third rack and an adjustable upper rack, accommodating up to 15 place settings. Standing at 42 decibels, this LG dishwasher is also one of the quieter options available on the market. Best compact dishwasher. Samsung DW50T6060 US. In the 18-inch wide category, Samsung delivers a consistently highly rated and budget-friendly dishwasher, boasting a range of amenities. With fold-down tines in the bottom rack for larger items, it accommodates up to 8 place settings in its standard configuration, operating quietly at 46 decibels. It features 5 cycles with 4 modes. An added bonus is the auto-release door, promoting rapid air circulation to cool clean dishes and enhance drying performance. Despite its compact size, this model offers ample space for a family-sized load of dishes. Similar to the LG, Samsung adopts a sleek design with controls integrated into the top of the door, presenting a clean stainless steel panel when closed. The adjustable top rack is easy to maneuver, adding to the user-friendly design of this efficient and space-saving dishwasher. Best budget dishwasher. Whirlpool WD-F520 PADM. Many very good dishwasher options are available in the $500 to $600 range, but for less than $500 for a full-size appliance, Whirlpool offers a reliable, no-frills model with over 5 figures of positive ratings that still includes many of the amenities of the popular Bosch dishwasher above. An indoor silverware rack creates additional space in the basin, which can store up to 14 place settings. For your savings, you still get a stainless steel finish, as well as heavy, normal, high temperature, and 1-hour wash cycles, with sanitized and heated dry options. More expensive models tend to have soundproofing features that reduce the dishwasher noise while it's running. But at 55 decibels, This Whirlpool model is well within the range of the average noise level for dishwashers. Thank you for joining us in this dishwasher review series. Today, we delved into different brands and models in detail, hoping to assist you in finding the one that suits you best. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, share with us in the comments which dishwasher is your favorite. Until our next review video, have a great day!